Today we are going to Burnham and it is 9:15 in the morning and magkaparehas kami ng pants. Kaperno.
Yes, okay. Come on, break it. We are now here at Sasha Road. Come on. Ay, doon. Ihitay doon. Almost 11 in the morning. We are here at Burnham Park. Hey, gusto niyo mag-bike? Isley, you like to ride on the bike? Or slide? Swing? Okay then, let's go. Go! Oh, stay there lang, okay. Oh, tali also. Matapang. Brave girl ah. 50 pesos per 50 pesos per glass. Here.
Kuya, paano kaya?
We are here in Burnham now. It's 11 o'clock and the two are there riding on the seesaw. Ako naman, watcher. Oh, wait lang. Oh, doon kayo sa side, doon kayo sa side, ha? Ride! There. Oh. Okay, sawa na sila sa slides. Punta na raw sila sa swing. It's 11 o'clock and nandito kami nila Isley and Talia. They're putting powder there in their milk. Ano ba yan? Powder ba yan? Yeah, so I'm here. Bored. Dalian. Okay, they're now eating strawberry taho. So what's the taste? See? The same color yung strawberry, the same color yung pants and your shirt.
Andito ko sa tree ngayon, so try natin itong video. Ang lambot nito. Ngayon lang ako nakikita ng ganito.
Very soft? Okay, punch hard. Yung nga, Talia? Yes. Ito yung malambot na tree. Dito, let me show you the tree. This is the tree. Yeah. It's called cotton tree. Nice?
Yes.
Ito the second tree. Na-explore nila. Yeah. And this is the tree. Cotton candy tree. Here on the side, here.
Meron
Yes. Paper tree. Like tissue tree. Okay? Tinesting na nila lahat ng mga trees dito. Ayan, malalambot kasi lahat until there. Here at Burnham Park. And this is Melvin Jones. Na-explore ni Ice-T, no? Suntok ng suntok. Sige.
Hi guys, we are here in Jollibee and it is 12 o'clock na.
We are waiting.
We're waiting our food.
What?
Tatlong chicken and rice, tapos dalawang coke, tatlong coke float, tapos isang fries. Dinner.
Tatlong fries. Okay, guys. Are you hungry?
Tatlong fries. Tatlong fries.
Okay. Okay, they're eating now. Yan ang gusto nila. Ayaw na ng spaghetti. What's this?
Coke float.
Coke float.